Hi guys, this is the Punjabi chef Pratik Dhawan. Not just any Dhawan, today I'm Dhawan. And today I'm going to make a party special called lemon garlic pepper chicken wings. So let's start cooking. To start this party appetizer, first we'll marinate the wings. For that, first I'm going to add garlic powder, black pepper powder, paprika powder, salt, baking soda, baking powder, and last I'm going to add some oil. Now I'm going to mix the wings thoroughly in the marination. The chicken wings are nicely marinated. I'm going to set it aside for a while. Till that time, we'll prepare our sauce and the dip. First, I'm going to take a pan, and in that, I'm going to add cubes of butter, and with that, some crushed garlic, lemon peel, lemon zest, chili flakes, paprika powder, chopped parsley, pepper powder, and lemon juice. And our sauce is ready. Let's transfer it into a bowl. Let's start preparing our dip. For the dip, first I'm going to add mayonnaise, sour cream, chopped parsley, dill leaves, some chives, lemon juice, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and black pepper. Now let's mix it properly. So there you go guys, our dip is ready, our sauce is ready. Let's start frying the wings. To start the wings, first we're going to dust them in the corn flour. The wings are nicely dusted in the corn flour and the oil is hot. Let's start frying. Guys, our wings are ready, our sauce is ready, and our dip is ready. It's time to assemble. First, we'll transfer the wings into a bowl. Pour the sauce on top. And we'll toss the wings and then we'll do the plating. And there you go guys, our party starter lemon garlic pepper chicken wings is now ready. You also do try the recipe, but before leaving, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Get Curry. Goodbye.